It's odorless.
It's colorless.
It's tasteless.
It's deadly.
Could it happen to you?
According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention,
Pennsylvania has one of the highest rates of death due to carbon monoxide poisoning.
Could it happen to you?
The largest source of carbon monoxide are engine-driven tools, followed by heating systems and consumer products.
People ages 44 to 66 are most likely to be affected by carbon monoxide poisoning, and men are 71% more likely to die than women.
Symptoms include headache, confusion, and vomiting.
Researching politicians talking about this issue is a very slight slide. This goes to show just how much people actually care about carbon monoxide poisoning, which is really sad as it's really detrimental to our health.
Philadelphia Building Code requires all new buildings to have carbon monoxide alarms installed. But what about old buildings? The truth is, the market for new homes in Philadelphia is among the economically advantaged who can afford those new homes. However, what about the people who are not economically advantaged and can only afford to rent out old buildings? They do not have the privilege of a complimentary alarm. And so to us, the code should be changed so that all buildings will have a scheduled inspection date, and if no carbon monoxide alarm is found, the city will provide one.